This video is to show how to replace the turn signal switch or lever in a 2007 Chevy Cobalt. This will also be the same for any of the Cobalts and the Pontiac G5, I believe. This is the turn signal switch I bought. I got it from Amazon. It was only a little bit less than 30. I think it was like $27.88 before tax, and then it was about $30 after tax. It's made by AC Delco, and it's got really good reviews online. It's almost the exact same that comes out of my car. It even looks a little bit better because this part up here at the top looks a little bit more blacker than the one that's going to be coming off. The first step in getting this old lever off, mine obviously it broke and it's done for. And also whenever I complete a turn, it doesn't shut off anymore. So it was, you know, relatively cheap to fix, $30, and it's only going to take a few minutes. So the first step to do is you need to take out these two Phillips screws right here on the top, which I'll do that now, and then you'll pop off this whole inside thing. After you take out these two screws on the top, you're going to have two bolts on both sides that you're going to have to take off. And those bolts are a 7mm. There you go, 7. Perfect. To get those bolts out, you're going to have to take off these two trim pieces. There's one on this side, and there's another over here. It feels like you're going to break them whenever you try to pop them out, but you won't break them. After you finally get that out, you're going to want to pop this top cover off right here. It comes off really easy. And you pull that out, set it to the side. Next, you're going to get underneath the steering column, and there's going to be 3 bolts that you need to take out. There's 1, 2, and then third one's right there. Let's see here. It's a 17 mil also, but I believe you're only gonna have to take out this first one. I guess we'll find out together. How about that? If you're just replacing the blinker lever, then you just have to take out this first bolt up here at the top. You don't have to worry about the other two. But if you are going to be replacing the like the windshield wiper lever, then you'll have to take out all the screws, and this whole thing will pop apart. But just taking out that first screw was just enough for me to be able to pull this down and be able to pull this whole thing out. And to get it out, there is just a little clip on the top. Sorry, there's just a little clip on the top and the bottom, and you just push those in and it pulls right out. Now on the back, I'm gonna have to take out this wiring harness, and that'll just clip into the new one. Now that I got the old one out, get rid of it. Out with the old, in with the new, as my grandpappy used to say. Alright, well now everything is just the reverse. You'll see the new one, as I just push it in, it'll just clip right into place. So yeah, well, it's supposed to. In theory, it'll just clip into place. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now, before I put everything back together, let's just give it a test run. Rights are on. Left. Right. Right. Everything seems to work great. Made my turn, and it shuts off. Making my turn, and it shuts off. Perfect. All right, now just put everything back together. All right, got everything put back together. Everything's looking great, grand, wonderful. And but most importantly, our new lever works. Blinkers work, brights work, everything works on it. So this was how to replace the blinker lever in a 2007 Chevy Cobalt. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.